The T300 Pro series makes hard enduro easy. A highly competitive machine in its standard form, the new model is equipped with a competition-focused list of upgrades, all replied upon by Husqvarna Factory Racing's Billy Bolt. Powered by an engine that is fueled using Throttle Body Injection (TBI), for best-in-class rideability, the T300 Pro series is complete with distinctive grey and white graphics to signify its exceptional off-road prowess. LED headlight. The new LED headlight provides a brighter light output of approximately 300% for much improved visibility at night. Engine. The 300cc 2-stroke engine in the T300 Pro, with the introduction of Throttle Body Injection (TBI). For 2024, the engine delivers improved torque while maintaining its high-revving 2-stroke character. Frame. The proven chromium molybdenum steel frame is refined for 2024. A new shock mounting, which is no longer connected to the main tube, significantly improves the anti-squat behavior of the chassis. Triple clamps. The black anodized, CNC machined triple clamps offer premium quality as standard on all Husqvarna Enduro models. Front suspension WPXACT-USD, 48mm. Rear suspension. WPXACT monoshock with linkage. Soft compound OD grips. Providing welcome comfort throughout the longest and toughest of days are the soft compound OD grips. Competition seat cover. A new high grip cover with additional ribs for extra traction is fitted over the familiar ergonomics of the standard seat foam. Brembo hydraulic clutch and brake system. Factory racing wheel set. The hubs are made from CNC machined aluminium and then anodized black before being laced to black Excel Takasago rims using strong spokes. The Super Sprox Stealth sprocket features an aluminium center section. Brake disc protectors. For continued braking performance, disc protectors are fitted front and rear. GALFER brake discs. GALFER brake discs are fitted front and rear. The stopping power of the floating wave front disc, which is shielded,